Alright everybody, we're on that Ford NAA still. Just going to show you kind of everything works. Going to take her up in first gear here. Nice travel on the clutch. Good sounding tractor, guys. Okay, going to take it to reverse. Now this is a 4-speed, but it has a high-low split in it. So you actually have 2 reverses. You have 4 gears with the high-low on each range, so it's actually technically an 8-speed with 2 reverses. So to engage it, you go to high right here, you pull that back. We'll go back to that first gear. You can see she has a lot of speed. We'll go back to reverse. Brakes work really good, guys. Again, tires are in really good shape. 90-95% tread. Fronts are maybe 75-80, but the rears are very good. Nice tractor. Take that back to low.